In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add error bars in Matplotlib. Error bars help you communicate uncertainty, variation, or measurement accuracy on a plot. They make your charts more honest and more useful by showing how confident you are in each data point. The good news is that adding them in Matplotlib is straightforward, and with a bit of formatting, they can look clean and professional. First, make sure you have your Python environment ready, then import the module you need. You'll work with matplotlib.pyplot, typically referenced as PLT. This gives you all the plotting functions, including the one for error bars. Next, prepare your data. You'll need three matching pieces: your X values, your Y values, and your error values. The X and Y values define where each point goes, and the error values represent the uncertainty around those points. You can think of the errors as standard deviations, standard errors, or any margin you want to visualize. Just ensure the error list or array aligns one-to-one with your data points. If you're only showing vertical uncertainty, you'll use errors for Y. If it's horizontal uncertainty, you'll use errors for X. Now call the error bar function. Provide your X and Y, then specify year for vertical error bars or XERR for horizontal ones. If you want both, you can provide both parameters. The function will draw a central marker for each point and attach an error bar in the direction you specify. You can also set a label here so the series appears in a legend later. By default, error bars can look a little busy, so let's format them. Set a clear marker, such as a circle, and choose a line style that suits your data density. Add cap size to put small horizontal caps at the ends of the bars, which makes the bounds easier to read. Adjust eColor and align width to control the color and thickness of the bars, and consider a touch of transparency with alpha if you have many points. Keeping markers and error bars visually distinct, perhaps a darker marker with a slightly lighter bar, improves readability. If your plot already has lines connecting points, consider simplifying to markers only so the chart doesn't feel cluttered. Finally, add context and show the result. Give your axes clear labels, add a concise title, and include a legend if you set a label. Turning on a light grid can help the eye track values across the plot. When you're satisfied, display the figure to see your error bars in action.